YouTube, back at you again with another video. So today, what I'm gonna end up doing on the Kawasaki Ninja 400 2019 is so basically I ordered some hand grips. These are the dual density race hand grips, whatever. So let me explain why I got these, in case you guys are wondering. Hold on, let me just, okay, so it's the Super Sport Bike Extra Strong Open End. I don't think I'm reading that. Yeah, Extra Strong Open End, GP Racing. All right, so the reason why I got these hand grips is because on the bike, when I'm doing high speeds, so on the bike, when I'm doing high speeds, the thing that bothers me the most is these hand grips, even through my gloves, when I get to about between 8 and 10 RPMs, 10 grand RPMs, I can feel the vibration through this. And even pressing it, like the bar is right there, the clip-on, this is right there. So there's a lot of vibration in here, and then when I get off, either I'm holding the bars too tight or my fingers tend to go a little numb. So I'm hoping that these dual density race grips help a lot. So this install is so simple. I mean, anybody can do it. There's multiple ways of doing this. The first way, you can get a razor blade, cut here, cut this whole thing off, peel it off. You obviously have to take off the bar end with a 5 or 6 millimeter hex head. Or you can do what I'm about to do. Get you a flathead, skinny flathead screwdriver. Obviously take the bar end off, flathead screwdriver, push it all the way in. Get some WD-40, spray in on top of the flathead screwdriver, and then take the WD-40 out. And then with the flathead screwdriver, go all the way around the grip, and then it'll just slide itself off. Clean off the residue, put on the new hand grip, which is basically what I'm about to do right now. Long story short, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and it's gonna make this install super simple. Anybody can do it to the bike. Again, the main reason why I'm doing this is because there's a lot of vibration at high speeds on the Ninja 400. It's a 6, baby, with the flathead inside. You have to go all the way around the grip. Once you do this part, all you have to do is just pull it right off. So now that I got them off, I need to clean off the WD-40 so it's not slipping, and I also need to make sure that it's super clean. So I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol to remove this residue. All right, now that I got some rubbing alcohol, I'm just gonna get up on this and rub the hell. Oh man, rub the hell out of this material. I'm not sure if most of you guys actually knew that you can do this, but I see people use air, I see people use all this other stuff that's so difficult, man. At the end of the day, I don't like to use all that arm muscle and trying to break parts, and WD-40 knock it right out. No special effects, no I'll be right back. You saw how I did it. Slight light pull, and it twists, and it came right off. Let's keep going here. Bar ends are very simple. Basically all I'm doing is the opposite of what I did before. I think it's a T40. Can't wait for this weekend to go for a ride, baby. All right, guys. So I pretty much changed out the hand grips on both sides, and you guys kind of had an idea of seeing how I did it. All you basically need is some WD-40, a flathead drive. Put the flathead drive in, spray a little WD-40, and then just have the drive go around once or twice, however many times you wish, and then this will just slide right off. To put it back on though, it was a little more difficult. So basically what I'd used is some rubbing alcohol. You put the rubbing alcohol on the inside. You may have to use a flathead drive and then apply some force inward and just go around, and it'll walk its way back onto the clip-on. To me, that was the easiest way to do it. I think it'll be a lot easier for anyone out there that wants to do it. Yeah, so I want to thank you guys for watching this very, very quick video on how to change out the hand grips on a Kawasaki Ninja 400 2019, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.